futuro. I'm Dr. Rosa. I'm here at Rosa Odontologia in Rio Grande do Sul, Brazil, in Caxias do Sul. And we are going to start an IDR procedure. This tooth is condemned. The patient lost completely the buccal wall, and we are going to extract this tooth to insert the implant to make the provisional restoration and to take bone from the right tuberosity, because on the right side we don't have the presence of the wisdom tooth, and we have bone available to be transplanted from the donor side to the receptor side. So we intend to do it all in one single procedure, to make it all. Tooth extraction, implant installation, provisional coral fabrication, and bone reconstruction. We extract the tooth, we insert the implant, and we make the provisional restoration. Now it's time to take the bone in order to do the bone reconstruction. So this is our donor area from the right tuberosity, as you can see from here. And the next step, we are going to make the incision and to use chisels, the IDR chisels, to harvest bone from the right side of this tuberosity. The bone is right here. Now it's time to take the bone using the chisel. This is number 8 chisel, the curved one. And we left here 2 millimeters of bone behind the last tooth, the second molar. My assistant is responsible to hit the hammer. My job is to hold the chisel in order to control the depth and inclination. One more. This is a real life. Now I'm going to take another piece of bone, a small one, in order to be crushed and to fill the gap. One more. Okay. Little piece, cortical cancellous bone. Another one. This is all I need. This is all I need to make the reconstruction and to fill the gap all around the head and the body of the implant. Now it's time to do the suture.